Heavy. I was gonna say it started the first half of it. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, Jairo. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kaz. We're back with another Beats Box reaction. We are doing Rogue Wave versus Jairo. This one, okay, I should have done it before because I did see like the top 10 drops and stuff. But either way, it's a whole different vibe when you're watching the whole battle. Rogue Wave, we already know. We already know they are heavy. They do all types of cool, like offbeat, like I don't even know how to do it. But Jairo, when I first heard Jairo, I was like, yo, these guys are different too, bro. They can sing, kind of got a little Rogue Wave vibe going on. So this should be a really good battle. Don't really know what to expect, but I'm pretty excited for this one, to be quite frank with you. But without further ado, let's get into it. What we got, baby?
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
That intro, though.
Are you ready?
I wonder what the 2024 intro is going to be like. Or they'll probably still use that one because that's a new one, actually. Even the old one was sick, but that was the upgraded.
First up, ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Give it up for
Also, I did the top 10 loop station drop, so you guys can check that out one too.
Rogue Wave.
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
River Collapse. Rogue
River
Wave
and Collapse.
versus
続いては
from Japan.
日本から
Give it up for Jairo.
Hit him with the glitch.
I wonder if like GBB pay, like Swiss Beatbox pays for these guys to fly out to Japan, because Jairo I've never heard of until this GBB, which is in Japan. So maybe it's like once you get to that status, they're just gonna fly out to the battles worldwide or something. I don't know. Maybe let me know if you guys know though.
Are you ready for the tag team finals? Not good enough. Are you ready for the tag team finals?
Yeah.
We have Jairo versus Rogue Wave. Jairo won the coin toss, chose Rogue Wave to go first, battling for $15,000, the title of GBB Champions 23. Let's get
15K. Hey, okay. I didn't even know that, bro. That's a pretty good prize. I wonder how many of these yearly that these guys go to. Like, I wonder if any of them are making a full-time living off of it, you know. Maybe not just off this. Maybe they got their YouTube channels and stuff too, but I don't know.
Get into it. I say the trois, you say the deux. No, left, right, side to side, everybody. In trois.
See? Right away. Okay, like right away. Right away. Bro. Woo. Bro. That bass? Congo line, baby.
No.
go.
Put your motherfucking hands up.
Heavy. Guys came out of the gate swinging. Yeah, Jairo's sick at singing, bro. I don't even care. I mean, Rogue Wave is too, but like Jairo's got some vocals.
Like I'm losing track of time. Like I don't really care right now. Maybe that's fine. I sent you flower. Did you even care? You run the shower, left them by the stairs.
Woo. Hey.
I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you gotta show you ain't nothing better than scars. This ain't nothing like you was once. I know you think you're such an outlaw.
Bro. Heavy. Yo. I don't care. I mean, Rogue Wave was sick first round, but I don't know, man. Jairo's growing on me. I can't lie.
Switch.
See, I don't know, man. This is a battle. I know it is. This is heavy. Bro, I've said it many times. I think Rogue Wave does have some of the best chemistry there is when it comes to tag team. Like, they know each other so well. Collapse and River, I don't even care, man. Like, these guys. Heavy.
Switch.
Oh man, what a battle. See, I told you, I'm like, both of these teams, they know the offbeats, guys. Like, these guys, the chemistry between both, I knew it. I said, I don't know if like Swiss heard me, but I'm like, listen, you guys need to put together teams that sound similar to Battle, because then you can really tell the difference. When you have like two completely different like sounds, like for instance, like this and Jackpot, it's so hard to judge because Jackpot's like old school, like, you know, that type of beatboxing mixed with a little bit of modern, and like they have their own style, right? But it's a different type of genre, so it's very hard to like judge it, if that makes sense, you know? So, but these guys, this battle's heavy.
Switch! 1, 2, 3.
So listen up, keep your ears to the ground. Don't go getting mistaken now. I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taken down. I ain't letting my spirits down, cause I'm much better than much you found. I'm the dude with the donkey crown, and I ain't gonna be taken down. Yeah. So choose something to believe in. You know we give life its meaning. Oh, if I search my feelings, I don't know.
That's heavy. Heavy. I was gonna say it started the first half of it. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, Jairo. I was not feeling it. I feel like this, well, the second half of it, heavy, like their breakdown and everything. But they should have put this one first, I think, because I feel like the other one that they did first was a little bit better overall. This was definitely better in terms of the drop and everything, like the complexities to it. But I don't know. This is gonna be a tough battle, and by the looks of it, it looks like it's gonna go into a third round. So it's the final too, right? So yeah, it must be 3 rounds. I don't know how it works, but is it always 3 rounds for the final, or is it generally 2, or like how does it work? Let me know. Maybe that's why they did it. They put okay, maybe that's why they put this one then there in the middle kind of thing. Maybe I'm wrong. But that was
Rogue
sick.
Wave, Jairo, that was the finals. GBB 23, make some noise for the tag team finals.
Why is the video so long then? What the heck?
Now it's time to find out who the champions are.
いよいよチャンピオンの発表です。
Please
I feel like it's
join
gonna be
us on
Rogue
the
Wave.
stage. I need to have.
I feel like it's going to be Rogue Wave, but they might give it to Jairo because they are the newcomers and they did hold up pretty well. It was pretty even, to be honest, actually. Like, I mean, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys. Like, who do you think won? And if you made it this far, do me a favor and hit that red subscribe button because, you know, it'll help. Like button too if you want this, you know, to help me out.
Have Rogue Wave and Jairo.
That was a good battle though, man. That was awesome.
All right. Rogue Wave on this side. Jairo on this side. Passing the torch along is Supernova.
All right. The winners, once again, will be going home, splitting $12,000.
12,000ドルを獲得する勝者は
I thought they said 15,000.
Each of them will be receiving the Avirex jacket.
勝者には使用金だけではなくアビレックスさんから提供されたジャケットとローランドさんからの、こちら
Each of them will also be receiving the V-Moda headphones.
V モダとヘッドホンが贈呈されます。
And last but not least, each of them are getting a Roland Boss Mark II.
マーク2のループステーションももらえ
Loop
ます。
Station. The prize pack is also included with some other goodies. But let's get to this. Do you guys want to find out who your champions are?
Yes,
皆さん
sir.
誰か知りたいですか？チャンピオン
Yes,
は
sir.
From the bottom to the top, right now, GBB 23, live and direct in Tokyo. Your tag team champions are
Jairo was disappointed, I could tell.
Hit him with the glitch.
Don't even feel bad, Jairo. You guys held up like hardcore, man. Like, keep going, because like that, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. No McDonald's out here. But let me know in the comments down below, guys. I'm not gonna go through this because the battle's already done. This is just, you know, prize handout and all that type of stuff. But let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want me to do specifically in the beatbox community. If there's any artists you want me to check out, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.